The Department of Defense and Strategic Studies was established in 1974, initially offering military studies at a general level and expanded to the special level in 1982. It provides undergraduate degree and certificate courses in areas like strategic leadership, road safety, industrial security, and fire safety. The department emphasizes interdisciplinary learning focusing on military geography, strategic studies, international relations, defense technology, and more. With the college gaining autonomous status and implementing NEP 2020 reforms from 2023 to 24, department has two faculties. Dr. Devidas Bhosle, head and assistant professor, leads the department with a vision for academic excellence and provides strategic direction, ensuring high-quality teaching, research, and curriculum development in defense, security, and strategic studies. It features a well-equipped defense museum and ICT classrooms to support experiential and participative learning. Department has an MOU with the Center for Human Security Studies, Hyderabad, facilitating seminars, workshops, internships, and training. Skill enhancement activities include workshops, hands-on training, and celebrations of Kargil Day and Army Day, enhancing students' practical skills. The department boasts a strong placement record with 90% of students progressing into employment or higher education. Distinguished alumni have made notable contributions, particularly in academia. Best practice of the department is empowering students through awareness, which includes library exploration, connecting students to global defense trends, poster presentations, and commemorative event celebrations to foster patriotism and awareness among the students. The Department of Defense and Strategic Studies holds a unique and prestigious position within the academic landscape due to its commitment to producing strategically minded scholars and professionals equipped to address complex national and global security challenges. The distinctiveness of the Defense Studies Department is highlighted through the Defense Museum within the department. It is the first subject-specific museum of its kind in the country, established to showcase and preserve military history, weapons, and warcrafts. Defense museums play a vital role in teaching and learning by providing real-world examples, preserving military heritage, and offering experiential learning. This helps students to connect theory with practice, inspire professional identity, and encourage critical thinking and ethical reflection. Museums also support interdisciplinary learning and research, making them essential for a deeper understanding of military history, technology, and strategy.